News. Our top story tonight at 6, a Prior Lake man charged with killing a teenager on the Apple River over the weekend, making his first court appearance today.
And the charge is giving a clearer picture of what happened. And Fox 9's Paul Bloom joining us live outside the courthouse. And Paul, he is claiming self-defense.
Kelsey, Randy, in an interview with investigators quoted in the charging documents, Nick Miu does not deny that he was involved in this deadly armed encounter with a knife with a group of young tubers. But he tells a much different story. He told them he was scared for his life and only reacted in self-defense.
In count 1, you've been charged with first-degree intentional homicide. That is a Class A felony. Upon conviction, you face a sentence of life imprisonment.
Nikolai Miu made his initial court appearance via video hookup from the St. Croix County Jail in Hudson, Wisconsin. Authorities report Miu injured 4 and killed 1. 17-year-old Isaac Schumann of nearby Stillwater, as investigators continue to try to sort through several different versions of events.
This is not a situation where there's been premeditation for months or weeks or former contact with the victims or some prior grudge.
Miu, an engineer with no criminal record to speak of, claimed self-defense in an apparent interview with investigators quoted in court charging documents. He claimed he was using a snorkel and goggles in the popular Tubing River, looking for a friend's cell phone. That's when there was a confrontation with some younger tubers who apparently thought he was acting, quote, shady. Words were exchanged, fighting escalated. Miu is then seen in bystander cell phone video swinging what was described as about a 3-inch knife, resulting in a bloody, horrific scene. Law enforcement reports Miu fled the area and wasn't taken into custody until about an hour later. Fox 9 obtaining these images of his arrest at Village Park near the river's tubing exit point in Somerset.
There's a suggestion in the complaint, that he said to one of your investigators, this was self-defense. His defense attorney in there also said you guys have a lot more work to do. There are 2 sides to this story. Based on what you know here today, your reaction?
I will let the criminal complaint speak for itself. I don't want to speculate.
And more now on this young man, Isaac Schumann, killed in this deadly knife encounter. His family telling us they're absolutely shattered, describing him as a popular honor roll student at Stillwater High School who loved golf and was devoted to an entrepreneurial business he launched by himself. Tonight they are planning funeral arrangements. Meantime, Miu sitting in jail behind me here in Hudson. His bail set at $1 million, and as you heard the judge say off the top, he is looking at life in prison if convicted on that top count of intentional murder. We're live outside the St. Croix County Courthouse tonight. Paul Bloom, Fox 9.
All right, Paul, thank you.